Hi, I'm Rick DeLeon, District Sales Manager for Alpine Avalanche.
And I'm Steve Hawblitzel, also District Sales Manager with Keystone Alpine Avalanche. And today we're here to showcase the 390DS.
Well, Steve, as we introduced this 390DS, which stands for double suite, most people wanted to know what the suffix stands for, and that's what it stands for. What are some of the features what really makes us stand out over everybody else?
Yeah, well, the nice thing about the 390DS, as you said, dual suite, double suite. So we saw a lot of our customers out there that they were starting to have more multi-generational camping. So it wasn't necessarily just parents and children. And now we needed a place where they could all be comfortable, all could sleep, have extra space, dual bedroom, and we didn't even talk about dual bathrooms yet. But when you start thinking about that dual suite, it's a legit king suite in the front, queen suite in the back. So let's say your grandparents are coming along with you. You can't have grandma on a trifold sofa anymore when you get to a certain age. And so now we've got her own bathroom, her own bedroom, her own suite. Mom and dad could come along and creature comfort. And so there was lots of needs and benefits that this floor plan spoke to that we really didn't have in the lineup, and quite honestly, that wasn't really in existence out there in the market. So the 390 was a huge success for us on that front, and so that's why it's so popular today.
You know, Steve, in addition to all the Avalanche that we have, this is kind of a unique floor plan. I think everyone that comes in this coach is just enamored of 2 full baths, 2 full bedrooms. I mean, it's literally unheard of without going to a bunk area like we talked about earlier. So I think the flow in itself, being able to drop down, whether it's in-laws, grandparents, other friends, having that flexibility of that literally could be the master suite for some people that want an easy exit to the exterior door. That's another huge feature that provides a bit of, some privacy, but at the same time, it's still part of the whole floor plan, if you will.
Honestly, it's really hard to tell which bedroom would be the favorite, because as you said, there's an entrance to the back, there's an entrance in the main, you've got access to both have all the same comfort, the amenities, the TV hookups, and so legit dual suite, not one being scaled back, not one being a bunk room like you mentioned, 2 legit suites so everybody's comfortable, can bring all their clothes, their sweatshirts, everything else they need to bring along with them. So as we transition back down into the main living space, let's talk about some things that separate Avalanche from most of our competition out there, one of which being the 100-inch wide body frame that we've got. As we discuss all the time, it's more square footage of living space without being longer going down the highway when compared with our competitors. That extra 4 inches gave us more at the foot of the bed up top. It gives us more in the bathrooms. It gives us more right here in the living space. Pair that with our 6'10" Summit slides, that volume of space, it doesn't feel like you're in a trailer anymore. It feels like you're in a nice apartment. And then it leads right across into the kitchen. So what are some of the things you like about the kitchen area?
Well, huge 30-inch microwave, which is basically unusual. They're a lot smaller there. I mean, it comes with a nice residential Furrion oven there in the front. Solid surface countertops, the dual trash cans you mentioned earlier. I mean, it doesn't seem like a big deal, but so many consumers come back and say, my gosh, you really have thought about these floor plans. The flow of it being a wide body and tall, wider, taller, just the flow, it's so spacious.
Yeah, and I love that we do the 18-cube residential refrigerator, even the ice maker works, full-size appliances, full-size amenities. It goes on and on, from the king-size bed to the taller slides to the wide body. Avalanche in this price point really does offer the customer more than anybody else in our price point, especially in our segment.
One of the nice things that sets us apart, especially on the inside of the loft area, it's 33 inches tall, which is bigger than any one that you have. In addition to that, you have about 44 square feet up there in the loft area. So a lot of other lofts that you go into, you literally can't sit up and stand up.
Right.
Or I shouldn't say stand up, but sit up and have enough clearance. And I think that really sets us apart from everybody else.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can easily sleep anywhere from 6 to 8 people in this floor plan comfortably, and again, still have space for all their clothes, their gear, their activities, whatever needs to come along, space in those bedrooms, in the loft, as well as the outside storage, which we'll talk about here shortly.
40-inch fireplace, 50-inch TV. Again, these things are all standard features. You get 6,500 BTUs off that fireplace, so when it's a little chilly or whatever, you click that baby on and it heats the whole thing. I mean, it's pretty amazing.
Absolutely, and obviously the theater seats being directly across, reclining comfort, watch the race, the movie, whatever you want to watch. And then, of course, speaking of comfort, every Avalanche comes equipped with the dual air conditioners. It's already got the 15 and the 13.5 up top. It also comes with the air filtration system. It's got a MERV 9 air filter on that. Super simple to swap out. You can buy a filter at any Lowe's, Menards, Home Depot, things like that. Keeps your air quality, because we know it's very important to our customers these days with allergies, with pollen, with dust. They're camping and it's a dust bowl on that hot day, or they're out at the racetrack and they're getting all the debris and dust in there. Clean it out, keep the air nice and clean for everybody.
And let's not forget, they're all prepped for a third AC. For those people that are in the south where it's really hot, don't worry. We're
gonna keep you cool.
We're gonna keep you cool. And again, that's just that's a standard option, if you will, that we offer in all Avalanche.
Good, prepped and ready to go. Another great feature with all Avalanche is it already comes standard equipped with at least 200 watts of solar, and so you can easily upgrade that if you want to take it even above and beyond. If you want to get off road, it's a nice package that you can upgrade. It's user friendly, already wired and prepped and ready to go for that as well. So since we're talking about the outside, what are some of your favorite features on the outside of this Avalanche?
What we love about the outside, Steve, some of the big features is we're rated for full-time camping at -4. We got a nice drop Z-frame there, which enables every camper as they camp to have more exterior storage on the outside. That's what that drop Z-frame allows you to do. So you get about 145 cubic feet of exterior storage. We got the road armor suspension exclusive to Keystone, which is we've partnered with Lippert to be exclusive with that.
Huge benefit.
Half-inch steel shackles, bronze bushings, 7,000-pound axles here, and basically you got 6-inch of travel, which is completely unheard of as it comes to suspension.
Yep, so you can hit the speed bumps and the potholes and have it run nice and smooth, right? It pairs nicely with the Road Armor Flex hitch pin up front. Again, takes away a lot of that chucking as you go on the railroad tracks, no longer having that thing jerking going back and forth. And again, this is where the truck and the trailer meet each other, so you want to take away a ton of that road vibration. Like our competition with that steel-on-steel hitch, you don't have to worry about that as well. As you mentioned with the axles, we've got the G-Range tires already standard as well. Beautiful thing with that, it comes with 2-year roadside assistance and even a 6-year warranty. Again, unheard of in our price point. What do you think about those stairs over there, Rick?
Stairs are amazing. I mean, again, the 18-inch platform on the top stair, easily accessible for people, big enough so you're not going to trip. It's not too small. It's wide enough for your average person. You know, the grab handle's nice and low. We recreated that to make it a little more user-friendly. 30 inches wide, 643 door. I mean, very convenient, very easy for a consumer to feel comfortable as they walk in and out of the coach.
Absolutely. Speaking of convenience, how about that 6-point hydraulic auto level? Literally, you get the truck out of the way, you hit one button, less than 2 minutes, you're ready to party, have a good time, get to camping, get to cooking, whatever you want to do. Makes it nice and easy. When you're ready to hook the truck back up, you hit 2 other buttons, it goes to the height the truck and trailer disconnected. So very user-friendly, and of course we've got the hitch vision mirror up front, so you can back right under there, look out your rear view mirror, see the mirror, make sure your pin is lined up. Super easy to hook back up as well.
Every Avalanche comes standard with frameless windows. You know, it's got an 82% tint on the exterior already, and not to mention our seals on the inside. That seal on the inside helps protect with all the different conditions of the exterior, especially in the heat. You know, that's going to melt or fade or chalk. Having the seal on the inside really adds, not to mention cosmetically, it looks a lot better as well.
Absolutely. One last feature we have as you go up on the roof, yes, it is a walkable roof. We got the TPO up there with a lifetime warranty. So again, very low key on the maintenance. You keep it clean, check the seals at least once a year. It also has a non-slip up there, so no more worried about that. Very user-friendly. Same product they're using on all your new Walmart buildings, your football stadiums, things like that. So you know you're getting a high-quality product. That's why it comes with such a great warranty.
You know, Steve, it's amazing. Since we've talked about not only the inside but the outside, everything we're talking about is standard. Yep. And when we talk about what sets Avalanche apart from everything else, it's what we're talking about right now, standard features. No options here. Everything we talked about is standard. So that's what really sets us apart from the competition.
Absolutely. We're not playing the shell game, wondering if it doesn't come with package A, option B, this or that. Everything we just touched on, standard across the board, makes it nice and easy for our customers to shop so they know what's going to be included. And man, it's super friendly. I've learned a lot today, Rick.
So have I. Thank you so much for taking the time to spend time with us to learn about the Avalanche 390DS. On behalf of Rick DeLeon
and Steve Hawblitzel, we hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to watch additional videos. Check out our link down below for more information, or you can always go to keystonerv.com/avalanche.